Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. And hey guys, today we have a little bit of beach fun. That's right, we have Beachly. It came to me, I guess probably before the new year, but I just didn't have a chance to get to it. But today we are going to do Beachly. Hashtag beach every day. Warning, good vibes may be contagious. And vitamin C for your soul. And this is a quarterly subscription. And before we get moving, let me do a special welcome to everyone. I appreciate you taking time and stopping by. And if you're new here, I would like to ask you to hit that subscribe button. And it's free. And we do lots of unboxings here and some collaborations. And we have some good giveaways, I think. And I currently have my 1,000 subscriber 2-year anniversary that has 3 prizes, including a $100 Amazon card. So be sure and check that out. I'll try to remember to put a card up there so you can just click right on it and go right to it. But today we're going to talk about Beachly, and I want to welcome my subscriber friends because yes, you all are my friends and you all have gotten me to 1,000 and you've helped me go over, and I appreciate you. I just appreciate each and every one of you. Love your comments. And today we're going to find out what Beachly has in store for us for the winter box. Now, they have sent us inside the box. We have some packing and we have a card. It's going to have a QR code on it, and this is Beachly Winter 22. So hey, doesn't that look so relaxing? I love to go to the beach. And on the back side it says, hey, say hello to white sandy winter spent bundled up the Beachly way. And it says, welcome to your Beachly box. This season is inspired by cozy coastal evenings spent bundled up at the shore. It's filled with our favorite seaside finds to transport your winter nights that you spend at the beachside bonfire. With a touch of island-inspired details and coasty textures, this box will bring extra warmth into your white sandy winter. Whether you're building snowmen or sandcastles, these new goodies are sure to add a splash of sunshine into the season. Are you ready to feel bundled up and Beachly all winter long? And guys, if you're interested in Beachly, I will have a code and you can save. I will tell you, for a limited time, all new members get a free $20 Beauty Member Market gift card. So if you sign up right now, you can get $30 off your first seasonal box with the promo code WINTER30, WINTER 30. So I will have that in the description. I also have a link that if you go through my link, I'm not sure what it is because it's not showing me here any referral links, but I will have information down in the description. But right now you may be able to save more if you go through their, save $30 on their Winter 30. So that is their price. It's $99 a quarter, and you can get it for $90 a quarter if you sign up annually, which that's what I do. So it's $90 plus tax. Now let's look in here and see what we have. I'm going to go to my QR code, and I have it pulled up here. And the first customization, which now you can customize at least 2 of them, and the first customization, we were able to choose between several things, and one was a jacket, like a windbreaker, a pair of jogger pants that we had like in the spring, and the shirt that we had in the spring, and the sweater that we had last winter. So what's nice about this is that if you're just now joining and you missed something that you really wanted, then you have opportunity to customize that. So that's the first customization, and I believe I got the Sea Breeze quilted jacket. So let me see if I can find that in here. That is right here. This is $129 value, so wow, quite the thing, right? I mean, that's really great. And as I'm getting into this, it's called the Sea Breeze Quilted Jacket by Amuse Society Beachly Exclusives. And I think I chose this because I thought, wow, you're going to get a jacket, and not only a jacket, but a really nice jacket. And let's see what this looks like. Looks like it'll go with what I have on right now. but it's nice and roomy, and I might have got a little bit too big. But I always want to go bigger than smaller, and it snaps up the front, and it's quilted on the inside, and I got an XXL. So yeah, it may be a little bit big for me, but it has pockets on the side here. So, you know, you can put your hand in there, and it's so deep you could probably put some keys or something in there, so that's nice. And like I said, this is the brand. It was $129 value. So that's very nice. I like that. I like the color too. Do y'all like the color? Like I said, it almost matches what I have on. So that's my first item, and with your box, your $90 that you use or your $99 that you purchase, you're getting at least a $250 value, and it's usually over $250. So I'll try to get y'all a total at the end. But this says it's a good one. You've probably seen high-end version of this so popular quilted jacket around, but never before quite so beachly. With the perfect lightweight feel, gorgeous indigo blue color, and embroidered palm detail, this is a one-of-the-kind items, will be the perfect reminder of days spent at the coast. Because, you know, on some of the coasts, it can be cold when that wind's blowing. I know I went to Monterey, California, and I about froze myself, and it was like in June or something. It was like summertime, but that air was cool. So they have the embroidery palm tree on there. I just wanted to show that. I don't know that I showed that very well. It's got their logo on there, but this is really nice, guys. This is very good quality. Okay, on to the next item. In customization number 2, we had a choice of a sweatshirt in the color Sand or Isla. We had a new members. You could also choose some of our past items. So they had the jogging pants in there again. They had the beach bag in there. That's a woven beach bag. It's really cool. They had the wooden party tray and some other like suntan lotion. So you could pick one of these. And of course, I picked the sweatshirt because that was new. It's a $60 value. And I got the Isla color. So let's see what this looks like. And I like their sweatshirts. They have nice sweatshirts. And I always get extra large. And like I said, I went with 2X. So I may have to go down a size. But isn't that cute? Oh my goodness. It's nice quality. Of course, it's band down at the bottom. And it's a nice color of like a darker seafoam green. I'm not sure what it looks like on the screen, but that's kind of what we're looking at here. And of course, it's got the inside of the sweatshirt to keep y'all nice and warm. And that was a $60 value, I think it was. Let me look again. Yeah, $60 value. Now the details on this is the definition of the coastal cool at its finest. This is a Monstera sweatshirt, is your new staple winter wardrobe piece. Perfectly cozy with all the easy wear design. The buttery soft piece will keep you both warm and stylish, and that's true. And it's going to be plenty big. So like I said, I may have to go back when I go into my customizations and go back down to the large. I don't know why. I know on the jacket I always get an extra large because I want to make sure it's roomy, because sometimes in the wintertime you're wearing bulky stuff and you don't want it to be tight. The next customization is number 3, and I'm not sure what I picked on this one. Let's see, on this one we could have got a hydrating serum, Birds of Paradise scarf by Block, plus an ink speckled seashell. And that might have been what I got. That looks like Bird of Paradise, doesn't it? It's a $45 value, and it's a Beachly exclusive, and the details is a pretty floral print that makes the Birds of Paradise scarf the perfect finishing touch to any outfit. The lightweight fabric is versatile and worn traditionally around the neck, tied in the hair, or attached to the handle of your bag. And I would say that's exactly what this is, and I would also say that's exactly what you could do with it. So, and like I said, it had a $45 value. So right there, $60 and $45, and then the one was $129. We're looking at $230 easy. And so we're definitely going to get to that over the $250 mark. This here is very nice, guys. It's very lightweight, just like it said. It's very pretty, and it may just go with what I have on here. Now, I know you could use this other ways besides putting it on, like this. It said you could even put it in your hair. You could also wear it as a scarf with your jeans, and of course this will go with my little shirt that I have on right now. So if I wanted to have an extra scarf or just have a scarf on for decoration. But this is so pretty, and like I said, it's lightweight, and that would look very pretty tied to your purse or to your beach bag. And then if you want to dress up whatever you have on, you just toss this on or put your hair up with it. So yeah, very nice. I love that. Okay, on to the next customization. And I don't know if I showed y'all what was all in 3. There were several things there. And the flip-flops and the t-shirt and even the cap I've had in past boxes. So you do have options if you want to subscribe. And the customizations just kind of started recently in the last few months. I don't know that they always did that. But if you use my link, it's a give 25, get 25. So you would save $5 more if you go with their discount that they're running right now. So I'll have both of them down in the bottom. Let's see here. The next item now, I think the next items are not customized, or at least that's the way I'm seeing it here. It gets a little difficult after a while. I like that we're going paperless because it's kind of fun, but it gets difficult. And it could be that I'm going to have several of those choices. Maybe I got 3 of all of them and they just choose. That's what it is. Okay, in the last customization, I'm going to choose 4 items from Beachly, all-time favorites. And this was one of them, the scarf. And then it looks like I got the socks, as you've seen the socks that were in there. I got the ceramic seashell tray, and this is a $25 value. It's a Beachly exclusive, and it's a seashell tray that's perfect for a catch-all to bring home your little treasures from the coast. And oh, it is, it's like a little it's just like a little shell. Isn't that cute? So you just set that on your table and you've got some nice decor, and you can also put like your rings or little trinkets or maybe a little set of keys on there. Very nice, and it has Beachly on the back. So that's very lovely. So I like that. So that was a ceramic seashell tray for $25. And I also got the hydrating serum. This is the Sun Bum. And this is a rejuvenating serum. And it has a retail of $22. And this is Seal in the Good Stuff with Sunbun's Hydrating Serum, containing nourishing banana, brown algae, and niacinamide, and works as a first layer of moisture and protection in your daily skincare routine. So formulated for your skin to do a healthy, vibrant glow with all the best ingredients. This serum is the perfect way to feel sun-kissed and glowing all winter long. So that was a $22 value. So we have 22 and 25, so we're almost to 50, and we were already over 200. So they are really giving us our money's worth. And this is a pump, so we can just pump some out. Maybe. There we go. And it's nice and thick. So the serum is a nice quality serum, and it goes in well. It's absorbing quickly, just like it said. And it's going to grab moisture, and that's great because when you're at the beach, sometimes you get a little dried out from the sun and everything, and the wind. And then the next item that you could get, and which I think I showed you, is I got Monstera Fuzzy Socks by Salt Sisters, and this has an $18 value. And you guys know I love my fuzzy socks. Those are cute. Look how fuzzy those are. Can you tell? Those are nice, and they got the little snowflakes on them, or maybe it's shells. I think it's a fan, the Monstera fan. These are plush socks. Will not only keep your feet warm all winter, but you constantly reminder of the warm tropical days with the beautiful indigo color and the palm print. So it's the palm leaf print that's on there. But with the color of blue and the way, if you look at it far away, it could almost look like snowflakes. But anyway, that's just what I think. That's the brand, and $18. So what do y'all think? I think I got a great box. Let's do a recap. I got my fuzzy socks, $18 value. I got this beautiful little trinket tray that's shaped like a shell. So it'll be a nice little decoration, as well as being able to put something on there as a catch-all. We got this wonderful serum, the Sun Bum Serum, to hydrate all day long. We got this beautiful Bird of Paradise flower scarf that can be used around your outfit. It can be used up with your hair, and or, like they said, tie it around your bag. So it's very versatile. Then I got this really nice sweatshirt, which I really like. And this is going to be great for lounging around. And that's one reason I got an extra large. I like for it to be big and roomy. But like I said, I may have to go back and change my sizes. And then, of course, I got this wonderful jacket. Here's the jacket on. I just thought I'd get up and try that on real quick. And you can see how roomy it is. And in the back, I have lots of room. So yeah, I have over room. So yeah, I think I could go with a large, but I just wasn't sure. So, sometimes when you order something, you don't know for sure. And they do give you the size stuff, and I did look at it. But I guess I thought maybe I'd go with the large. It hangs a little far down on my sleeves, but that's easy remedy. I just fold it back, so that's not really an issue. And like I said, I don't have on a bulky sweater today, so if I have a bulky sweater on, this will be perfect because it'll go right over it. But that's my Beachly, and so I'll put my total up there. And of course, I have other Beachly videos if you want to go back and check those out. And I hope you enjoyed it. It's all I have today. And I will tell you, I do have my 1,000 subscriber 2-year anniversary video out. It goes through January 31st. And I have the 5 days of Look Fantastic Christmas, 5 videos with 5 giveaways, and that one ends on January 14th. So be sure and check that out. I've got some collaborations that'll be coming out this month. I am doing a collaboration with Charmaine of Charmaine's Staycation, and I'm going to be doing, of course, another Dollar Tree train, so that'll be coming out toward the end of the month. So keep a lookout for all of that. As for today and everything else in Beachly, that's all I have, and as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.